Look at this top of this. This has not been seen in quite a while. There was so much stuff piled on top of here, and last evening we cleaned it off, and we're kind of doing a reset on the workshop area. So what are we looking for? Some pins? We've got, look at all these.
They've got pins with
different
cotton or something.
Yeah, where the heck
They're
are
like
those?
lawnmower clip kind of looking things.
They're gonna be, who knows where. Alright, well whatever. Let's start digging through all this stuff. Anyone want to take a guess what this is? To see what people think that is. You found something that is sort of okay. Huh.
A whole bunch of them.
That's not what I thought we were looking for. This is Dave's drawings for the rack that he's going to make for the roof of the truck camper to mount the solar panels on. As you can see, it's all written in code. It's like a treasure map. Only the person who created it can tell what it is. Explain to us what you're doing, Dave.
This is the frame that the solar panels are going to mount to. 1, 2, 3. The Z-clips are going to come right down in here. Like that, I hope.
Why are you sweating?
Because it's hot in Texas.
It doesn't look hot. It's all cloudy. It's very humid today. It's a sweater. Earlier the sun was out and it was pretty steamy out here. Now clouds have arrived and tomorrow we have a chance for rain later in the day.
Can I template?
Tell me about these brackets.
These are the brackets for the threaded rod that's going to go to the wood frame of the camper. It'll be a spacer and then a nut.
Yeah, but you made them.
Yeah, I made the brackets. They're just out of this raw aluminum we bought, the angle iron.
And you made 6 of them, right?
Mm-hmm. Now I'm going to cut some sheet metal out. And I'll rivet some corners on here, sheet metal, to kind of hold it all together in one piece nice. Rivet, 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 rivet.
Rivet, rivet?
Rivet, rivet. 4 of them.
This is the frame for the solar panel that's going to go onto the Roof of the truck camper. Dave is demonstrating. Our solar panels will be mounted on this top part of aluminum.
You'll be able to stand in that opening up there.
There's a emergency hatch on top of the truck camper that is over the bunk area. We'll be able to access these panels.
It'll be about standing like this. You know, you'll be standing on the bed.
Mm-hmm.
You'll open it up to point the solar panels at the sun. And then got these things here. Down to there. Put the pin back in there.
The washer fell.
It's okay. Like that. This one.
Maybe we should have the washer wired to the pin or something.
And out here. You just put them back on there, but then you'll have it open for the low sun.
Imagine solar panels. Solar panel. Solar panel.
And then during the time of the year when we're not using the camper, we'll pull these pins. These come out too. And then you can take the whole thing down.
Pins.
Work on them or whatever.
Store them. Work on them. Transport them from the truck camper to a different location. Okay. Somebody's going to say that we should have used, or maybe they'll just think it, that they're going to think that we should have used the stainless steel hardware because this is going to rust and then it's going to, like, you know, do what rust does. We had these bolts, so that's what we used. It saved us money, and I'm going to clear coat them. I'm just going to spray them with, like, Rust-Oleum clear. That'll keep them a little better for oxidizing. Might have to be redone every once in a while. The next question you may be asking yourself is, how is this going to attach to the truck camper? You shall probably see in a future video. See, now you have to keep watching to find out.
You won't do that when the panels are on there.
If this thing happens to rattle or anything as you're going down the road, there's some chafe going on, then we would probably get some sort of like those noodle, that foam noodle things or whatever, and cut out some pieces just to act as a buffer between the metal parts.
Zip them on there.
So anyway, we'll see. We have to, you know, test it first. Just have to stay tuned for the testing phase.